Okay, so I'm in the shed. The brew porter has been sitting in the barrel for about 2 weeks. Temperature in here right now, according to my thermometer, is about 8.5, 9 degrees. It was sitting for about 2 weeks at 18, 17.5, 18 degrees in secondary. And now will be the first ever time that I drink it. We're going to try it. We're going to see what it's like. Disclaimer, it did leak. We originally had up to about here in the barrel. We are now down to there. We lost about, I'd say, 2.5, 3 litres. It filled this basin up to about there. And that's because I had the lock on the barrel turned too far around to the off position. So the hole within the tap was still slightly open and it leaked away. I wasn't here, I was away for the weekend. But when I came back, I fixed the problem. So I went on a couple of forums and discussed the issue of carbonation and will it still be carbonated correctly. I haven't added anything additional to this. I did add some plum in fermentation about 3 days in, which then sat for another 4 days. So yeah, we're just going to try it. We're going to see what it's like and hopefully it will taste good. Right, here goes. Well, we have, I don't know if you could hear that, we have great carbonation. Look at that! Oh my gosh. Right, okay. Oh my gosh, that smells wonderful. That smells good. Wow. You can smell the plums. Oh my gosh, that smells incredible. Right, here goes. It's got a good jelly kind of wobble texture, porous bubbles, but definitely carbonated. Carbonated to perfection, I would say. Right, here goes. That smells really fruity, but I don't know if it's because it's so cold that the mouthfeel when I first sipped that in was quite thin, but now it's coating my mouth. It's got a really thin mouthfeel at the start, which is sweet, and then it becomes warm right at the back of the mouth near the glands, and it begins to build this warm, almost earthy flavour, which then leaves your mouth covered. It smells fruity with a bit of alcohol. Definitely plummy there. Wow, can taste the plums. But then, like I say, it becomes warm and wholesome around the mouth. And you can really feel it on your tongue, at the back, around to the glands. Right, let's get a look at that. Great carbonation. Colour, take it up to the window. So the colour, it's a really dark brown, black, readiness at the bottom. Recipe wise, it's pretty near what I wanted. I would like it to be a bit stronger, but we'll see what happens after we have a pint. But in terms of the carbonation, the colour, and the smell, I think we're getting there. Just needs to be stronger. Just needs to be stronger. Stronger and a little bit more mouthfeel on the way in. But again, I could just feel it building around my back teeth, on the walls of my mouth, which makes my tongue want to start pushing it to the front. And that's where you get the bigger mouthfeel. That's pretty good. Right, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the other video of how I made this, you can click the link above and that will take you to it. Right. First ever personal created recipe. And I'm quite happy with that. Cheers. Oh yeah.